up, bro? How are you? Okay. This is Kampala, guys. What's up, bro? How is business? We are doing business here in Kampala. Everybody's busy hustling, trying to make money. Can you see? Some books being sold here. I'm just talking about them. Yes. This is Kampala, guys. This is Kampala. Oh my God. Let's make money here. I like this. But he's hustling. Yes, boss. What's up? I like it. And Ugandan people are so friendly. They are so friendly. It seems like you can easily start a business here. Because you can wake up and just come on the street and sell something. This little kid is selling soaps.
Owino Market.
Owino Market
is the largest market in East Africa.
Okay, the largest market in East Africa.
Oldest, yeah, and it's the oldest market.
Oh, I'll be happy too.
So we have a lot of people who come from different countries to come and shop. So we have different variety of items like they sell from clothes, groceries,
okay.
Everything is there.
Okay. And the prices there are affordable.
They are very affordable. Okay. That's why you're seeing a lot of people are shopping.
Hadithi Nabii Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ngakati man kana dunia niyatuhu.
So guys, we are going to explore the biggest market in East Africa, Owino Market, here in Kampala, guys. I'm gonna take you around this big market in East Africa.
Yo, bro.
Yo, what's up, bro? Owino Market. Oh my God.
So this one,
Okay.
grocery, like if you want to
Wait.
consider the prices of
Different groceries.
yeah, posho, rice, so whatever you can buy it as already priced.
Okay. That's where you can buy different groceries here in Owino Market. And I told you guys, Owino Market is the biggest market in East Africa, if I'm not wrong. some fruits. It's actually very busy, guys.
It's very, very busy. And you can move the whole day here and get tired.
This market is very busy. How much is that? 1,000? Oh, that's so cheap.
Yeah, 1,000.
In Kigali, it's like 600 francs.
Ah,
Yeah,
wow, it's expensive.
it's expensive. And guess what, guys? Motors can pass here, so motorbike can pass through the market.
They're not supposed even to pass here because
Can you imagine a motorbike inside the market? It's so funny, guys. So funny. The first time to see this. The businesses are going on here, bicycles, motor riders, and what I've seen is that the prices here are affordable compared to the prices back home in Kigali.
you also have a market like this one. I know Kimiroko.
Kimilongo, but it's not as big as this one.
Yeah, this one is big.
A very big market. There is even a section of clothes only.
Bro, what's up? Okay.
There's also a section of clothes only. There's also a section of vegetables.
Okay, that's the section of vegetables.
Right now.
Okay.
So where we're going is a section of vegetables.
So now we're heading to the section of vegetables and other perishable goods. So we were from the section of non-perishable. Oh my God, bro! You're selling beautiful tomatoes.
Yeah.
How much? This one, how much?
One for 5,000.
Only 5,000? It's like how much? Dollars?
$1.14.
$1.14 in Rwandan francs, like 2.5. No, 1.15.
Maybe
1.5 for these tomatoes.
in Rwandan francs.
Oh my gosh, bro!
Yes.
Your prices are good.
Yeah.
Next time I buy from you,
Okay, yeah.
give me 5. Okay. Hey, my brother, how are you? Okay. I like it. Here in Uganda, guys. I like Ugandans. Their vibes. Selling passion fruits here, carrots here. Wabedane. I don't even understand what they're saying. I don't understand what they're saying there, guys. Trying to coach the vibes. Hi, what's up? Okay. Hello, brother. Okay, bro, what's up? What's your name? Okay. I'm fine. Okay, what's up, brother? This is it, guys. This is it. They're so friendly. So friendly. And I like the market vibes here in Kampala. Oh my God. Now we're just buying some I can smell many difference. Owino market.
So where we are getting,
Yes.
here around Owino market,
Yes.
we have over 2,000 restaurants.
Over 2,000 restaurants in one market?
Yes, and the place is called the Soweto. Not Soweto of South Africa, but
Oh.
Soweto of Kampala.
Oh, so we are heading to Soweto, an area for restaurant. What is this? Sorry. So, excuse me. What is this? What is this? Soap. This is soap, actually. Give me 5. Okay. They're selling soaps, locally made soaps. Ugandans, so creative. Give me 5. Yes, I like it. Ugandans are so friendly.
Yeah, Ugandan, that is a shuma.
Here they are serving fish.
And And mostly in Uganda, we sell
Fresh fish.
we have smoked fish besides that.
Smoked fish? Okay. It's the market vibes here in Uganda, guys.
So this is welcome to the restaurant.
The restaurant, they're serving roasted meat. Oh my God. So they cook here and serve here.
Yeah, everything is done here.
Oh my God, this is amazing. So they are cooking right here in the market and serve right here in the market. Oh my God. So crazy, man. So Uganda is so huge. They're just cooking right here in the market and serve here in the market. Oh my God. Let's go. What is she saying? So I like Uganda so much. I like Uganda.
You like
so
Uganda?
much. Yes.
Uganda is beautiful.
Is it pilau?
Yeah, this is pilau.
Oh, hello, boss. I would like to taste your pilau.
Today, taste it too.
I want to taste. How much is this?
How much a plate?
5K only.
5,000.
5K.
Plus meat.
Plus meat.
But I don't have time to eat. I can just maybe buy for 1,000 and taste only.
You taste a bit here.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
So guys, we're gonna taste Ugandan pilau. Just like this.
It's tasting Ugandan pilau.
So delicious, brother.
Thank you.
Bro, you good at cooking?
We are good at cooking.
So, I don't have time actually, but I come back here to buy food from here.
Okay.
What's your name?
Frank.
Frank.
Yes.
Frank the cooks. The chef. The chef. Okay.
Yes.
Bro, nice to meet you. My name is Eme.
Amen.
Okay. Man. So, they've got many different kinds of dishes.
That's called Chiku. It's like the
Chikuwa market.
no, it's the street.
It's street.
It's the like the busiest place. It runs the money where all the millions are made in a day.
Oh, sure. So, she's not telling me, so tell them.
So if that place closes or they go on a strike, there is no money for you in that day. The Uganda Revenue Authority doesn't make money. So they have to make sure that place is secure and the traders are having a good business environment for them to work.
Okay. Guys, she's actually telling me that that place right there is where main businesses are going on here in Kampala. So where are they?
That's what runs that street.
Okay. Mr. Sodas, do you have?
465.
Okay. I'm gonna be filming myself. What's up, bro? How do you?
Hey, welcome to Harriet's channel.
As usual.
Hello, Mr. Tia here.
Yeah.
Welcome to Ray's channel.
Yeah, I already introduced you. So guys can check out his channel. That's cool.
Yeah, of course. didn't expect it to be like this.
Never expected it to be like that.
Yeah. It's so busy, but it means that people are making money.
Yeah.
So what is this?
This one
What
is
is this?
white ants.
White ant.
Yeah.
So people eat this.
Yeah, they fry.
Hello, mom. How are you?
You can try something you can
can
try.
eat.
Yeah, you can try.
So how do they
You can
call
buy
it?
for 500.
For 500?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna try some white ants.
You go try for 1,000.
1,000. Okay. Give me 1,000. So guys, we are going to try white ants? White ants right here in Kampala, guys. I've never eaten this before, but I'm gonna try this. And that's how they look. So how much is 1,000 in dollars? $0.28. So guys, let's try. Kampala is so crazy, man. Kampala is so crazy. Take a look, guys. It's very crowded. It's so busy. So guys, I'm gonna try out. This is it, man. This is it. Delicious. We don't eat this in Rwanda. We don't eat them. We have them, but we don't eat them. Oh my God. Rwandan people, I'm just eating ants. Oh my God. This is so crazy, man. So crazy. How do they taste? How are they?
I don't get that taste.
Really, Sam?
Your first time to eat them?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Okay.
I've eaten several times. And I enjoy it.
Guys, these are insects actually.
Take a look at them.
They are white ants.
Kampala is so crazy,
From the
man.
earth. It's time for us to enjoy.
Let's keep exploring Kampala and see what it has got for us.
Actually, they are crunchy. It's like Senate.
Yeah,
Grasshoppers. They are like grasshoppers.
So I do eat grasshoppers back at home.
But these ones are more sweeter.
we can look for grasshoppers. We like them. What's your name?
My name is Eme, but my channel is Mr. TA. Mr. TA. You should go and check it out from Kigali. From Kigali.
Nice. He's from